Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. Today I want to share a really quick and easy recipe that uses ingredients you probably have on hand most of the time. Something we call chicken crescents. I often serve this with tomato or another easy kind of soup. As always, the recipe is linked below, but I'll go over the ingredients with you. You'll need some chicken breast, either canned or you can cook some chicken. You'll need about a cup. You'll need some crescent rolls, obviously, to roll the mixture in. You're going to need to soften some cream cheese and some butter. We're going to mix that up with a little bit of milk, salt and pepper, some seasonings, and then in the end we will put a little crouton topping on the top. So let me show you how to make easy chicken crescents. This recipe won't take long at all, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then we'll mix up the filling. We're just going to take the softened cream cheese and the softened butter and go ahead and mix those up really well and incorporate them till there's no lumps or bumps. Then we're going to add the chicken. Remember, you can use canned or you can cook your own and just chop or dice it up. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk, some salt and some pepper, and then some minced onion. You can use fresh, but I actually find that the dried works better in this recipe. We tend to prefer it. I think it incorporates a little better. Now that our filling is mixed up, we're going to unroll the can of crescent roll dough. Remember, 1 can will make 4 rolls. So we're going to take 2 triangles and form a rectangle out of them. Be sure to pinch the seams together and make sure that everything is sealed. Then we will start filling each of the rectangles with a couple tablespoons of the dough. I like to roll mine like this, kind of in thirds, and then pinch up the sides. You just want to try to seal them good so that the filling won't all ooze out. So go ahead and fill your 4 rectangles, or double this recipe to make 8 chicken crescents. Also did not show it here, but I took some croutons and crushed them up. We're going to use croutons and melted butter as a topping. After your rolls are made and sealed well, you're going to take some melted butter and brush on the tops, and then we're going to take the croutons that we've crushed, and if you don't have croutons, don't worry about it. I have also used just fresh breadcrumbs that I've pulsed up, and then any kind of seasonings you have, any flavor that you want it to be, and we're going to put those on the top. It just gives the chicken crescents kind of a crusty, crunchy top. Bake your prepared crescents in your preheated 350 degree oven for about 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. And now we have chicken crescents that you can serve. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel today. I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a blessed day, y'all. Bye.